Alright, for this question we are supposed to simplify and state the excluded values. This section is all about multiplying and dividing rational expressions. With dividing, remember ours is not to reason why, but to flip and multiply. So I'll write the first rational expression again. And now I'm going to flip the second one, but this time I'm going to multiply it. Okay. Because now I have straight multiplication on top and bottom, I can go ahead and cancel things that are the same. Before I cancel, I'm just going to write down my excluded values. So remember, I'm always with division, because from the original fraction I'm checking both denominators, but now once I flipped it, all of a sudden the numerator became the denominator. And so really with division I'm checking bottom, bottom, top. So here I know n cannot equal 0. This one, we're going to choose to factor that first, and this one I also know n cannot equal 0. So now let's just go ahead and factor this. So I'm just going to check to see what multiplies. Oh, this one's going to be fun. Okay, so 36 times 6 is 216. So I'm just going to check what multiplies to 216 but adds to negative 35. And literally my plan of attack on this is guess and check. Well, I know 36 and 6 worked, but that adds to 42. So maybe 216, 32, 38. Duh, okay. Hmm. 9 and 24, did that work? 9 plus 24. Dang, I'm closer though. Closer. So 8 and 27. There it is. Took some time, but we got it. And both of these need to be negative. I cannot use the shortcut because I have a coefficient in front of x squared. So I'm just going to factor this over here. N squared minus 8n minus 27n plus 36. Split it down the middle. Now I'll take out the GCF of the left side, which is 2n. I'm left with 3n minus 4. The right side, I'm going to take out the negative because my first term is negative. Now they're both divisible by 9. And I'm left with 3n minus 4. So when I factor that, I get 3n minus 4 times 2n minus 9. So the whole reason I did this was because I wanted to check the excluded values. So here, if the 3 wasn't there, I know it would be positive 4, but it's multiplied by 3, so I'm going to divide by 3. Same here. If the 2 wasn't there, it would be a positive 9, but it's multiplied by 2, so I'm going to divide by 2. Those are my excluded values. Now I'm going to go ahead and cancel things. I see the ends. I'm going to cancel this entirety with this entirety. I can do that because it's literally the entire thing is canceling altogether. So now I just have 3/7. And that's my answer.